So this is the pound yen analysis for Thursday the 28th of September. I'm just going to go out to the higher time frames first and get the scaling right first. Now, we've seen, this is the monthly chart. We've seen, let's just get this on the chart correctly. We've seen price come up on this bullish candle, had a bit of consolidation, and at present we are appearing to break out to the upside. My mid to long term target being 160. That's on the monthly time frame. We're trading well above the most open, so in the long term, I am bullish. On a weekly, where are we now at present? On a weekly, let's just see. The previous week, we did finish bullish, but the week before that, due to the strong momentum, it does appear that buyers are resting in the market. And in relation to the weekly, we are currently oscillating around the weekly open. The weekly open being 151.25. Now, bearing in mind the monthly is bullish. Any signals above 151 for me would be a sign of would be a good sign for a continuation to the upside on this currency pair. So as we're currently at 151.25, we want to see a hold above 151.25. So at present we did go above it, but then immediately sold back down below it. Found support on that. It does appear to be my 50 period moving average. And again, we are retesting above it, slowly grinding back up. And slowly grinding back up to possibly hold that level and move towards the 52.85 level for a test. And that's where we are at present. A run and hold of 52.85. We'll be looking at... let's just see. I've not had a look at the levels above 52.85. Let me just have a look at the daily chart. Let's just see if there is anything interesting. It's been such a long time since we have been up near there. It's difficult to say. Like, for example, we could be looking at 54, and let's just see where we are. If I go out to scaling on this chart, it's taking a, let's just go out to say the weekly time frame. Now, if we do hold above 52.85, we'll be looking at 54.72. So let me just put on the chart 54.72, and let's just get that accurately placed. 54.72 was it? Let's just put that on there. 54.72. 54.72. And let's go back down to the hourly. So if we do break and hold the 52.85, I'll be looking at 54.72. What have we seen happen? I did mention this 200 period moving average on this hourly chart, providing some support for prices at present. Earlier in the week, I was not confident about taking this to the upside, considering that we did have candles with small bodies on the 200 period moving average. I did see that. I thought that would be a sign of a break towards the downside, and a break below the previous low being 149, I think it's 75 on the chart. I have it as 149.77, but we have not broken that low. We seem to have found support at the 150 level, and we do appear to be grinding higher in price. Now, I have explained my position in terms of a break and hold of the 51.25 would be a bullish sign for me. But if we do break below that, the 150 level will come into focus, and a break below that, I'll be looking at the breakout level, the height of the breakout range being 148.46. That's to the downside. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.